Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of styling with you, and I'm going to be using one of everybody's favourite wigs. This is Lavish Wavez, and this delicious colour is Dusty Rose. Here are the tools that I'm going to be using for today's styling. Let me just start taking some partings. Roughly taking half of the hair away. So the first section, taking like this, and I'm just going to get one of my clear bands out of the pocket. Try not to do the bands too tight, because we're just going to pick some pieces of hair, like so. We're just going to pick some pieces of hair, like so. You can see, just like this, look, with our fingers, picking a few pieces out to break that up. And then the next section we will take will be hair from underneath. So we're going to take the hair over, and again, so just get these nice bands and band this up. Okay, so you just want just enough tightness on the band so you can still manipulate the hair. So you see with my fingers here, I'm just taking a little bit up to break it up. You know, we're wanting a kind of fashionable look. Another section, like so. Now if you can see, so I'm just getting the areas of hair. Remember, I've got my pocket full of bands, so I'm just going to put my bands in here. Like so, so. And again, go into the bands. And open those braids out. So we're just opening that out so we get some broken up areas. So we see we start getting all of this coming together. Very bottom areas just to connect, because now we have two loose braids, so just to connect those, I'm just going to put that together with another one of these, and then we'll work on the other side. So this is the finished style from the front. I just wanted to turn it slightly to a side to show you these kind of warrior braids. Today I've been working with the gorgeous Lavish Wavez, and this colour is Dusty Rose. And you see it just looks amazing, doesn't it? I mean, that looks really fabulous. Let me just show you one of these braids as you were with me when we were doing the two. So you can see we took the bands, wrapped over, banded, wrapped over, banded, then pulled these variations out just to give us that nice bit of texture. And I think, you know, that just looks fantastic. She looks awesome. And you know, that kind of works. You could do a flatter version, a cleaner, softer version if it was not being quite as fashionable, or like one of these really kind of a more raw, more fashionable kind of warrior braids. So tell us what you think. Have a go at home, send us your pictures in, and we'll be looking forward to seeing how you got on. So from me, Alexander Turnbull, here at René of Paris and Aderans, and from all of us, thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate it. Remember to follow us on all social media, and we'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.